As a business owner or department manager, do you ever wonder if your design teams are using the tools you've heavily invested in to the best of their abilities? Are there knowledge gaps within the team that you may not be aware of? And when you're looking to hire, what does "know SOLIDWORKS" really mean on a resume? How can you qualify or quantify all of this? SOLIDWORKS certifications are an easy way to test and prove out skills for yourself or for your employees. The certification will provide great insight as to where your team stands. When I applied for this job at Javelin, I thought I knew it all. After all, I had been using this software for many years. I quickly realized that there was a lot more I could learn. During my interview process, I was asked to take my first SOLIDWORKS certification test, the CSWA, which stands for Certified SOLIDWORKS Associate, which gave me great insight on my strengths and areas to improve, but also gave Javelin a benchmark for my knowledge. After getting the job, I continued my journey by taking the CSWP, which stands for Certified SOLIDWORKS Professional, which touch on many different areas of the program, such as surfacing, drawings, assemblies, and part modeling. This really tested my skills. Once you pass this test, you'll receive an electronic certificate, business card logos, and personal listing on the CSWP directory. This is a fantastic way to stand out from the crowd, both on a personal or even a company level. The exam ranges from 2.5 hours to 4-hour segments and combine questions and answer with hands-on practical work. To prepare for these exams, training and stick time on SOLIDWORKS is strongly recommended. A great place to start is by taking the Essentials, Drawings, and Assembly Modeling courses. To make this even easier, our amazing training team at Javelin has put together a workshop designed specifically to prepare you for your CSWP exam, prepared with hands-on exercises that will mimic the exam requirements. You will gain a thorough understanding of what you can expect. As a bonus, the instructor will offer timed exercises for a real-life exam experience. One of the biggest factors to your success in passing the exams is training. The industry experts here at Javelin and our unique way of delivering training are just what you need. One of my favorite courses that we provide is the Advanced Update Training course. This is a course that was developed and designed internally at Javelin. It shows you quick, best-in-class ways of interacting with the interface and best design workflows to get your results fast and ensure that you are using the tool in the most effective and productive way possible. You can discover our entire training curriculum on this link here. If this wasn't enough to get you jumping out of your seat to get certified, then maybe this will. Did you know that for every SOLIDWORKS license that is active on subscription, your company receives not 1, but 2 free certifications tests per year? So there's really no reason not to give this a try. The first place to go, if you're already a customer and on subscription, is the SOLIDWORKS Customer Portal, where you'll find valuable information. So now that you're all trained up, you've taken the practice exam, you've got your special subscription code. Now you need to take a deep breath and start the exam. To do this, you will log into the virtual tester site at the 3dexperience.virtualtester.com, where you will be required to enter the exam code provided. Now that you have your CSWA and CSWP designations, what's next? Continue to push your own or your design team's learning and attempt even higher level certifications like the CSWE. Dive into more specialized areas like simulation or maybe even data management. Javelin is always here to support you on your learning and certification path. Training, mentoring, and guidance will make sure you achieve your goals. So be sure to connect with us.